Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet a dinosaur, and you will need a hook, scissor, stitch marker, and then safety eyes. And after that we will make a dinosaur leg first. Okay, we'll start from the legs and you can bring some cottons too. Now let's get started, everybody. Round. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 and 6 single crochet into the magic ring or magic circle. Tie this. Round 2, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 single crochet, and you have to mark the stitches. And 1 increase. That means you have to make a 2 times single crochet into the same stitches. Okay, I will meet you at the end. Round 3, 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Four single crochet around, and you should have a total of 12 single crochet. On 5 single crochet around, you have to make a 4 feet. And you have to make a slip stitch right over here and chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, 1 feet is ready. We need to make a total of 4. Okay, We are going to make a body part. Let's make a body part.